everyone, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance, and I am going again with this color palette, except instead of the teal, I'm using Sapphire Blue. Let's see how this works. I put my pillow paint on already. All right, and for the yellow, this is, oh, that was Sapphire Blue, this is Azo Yellow. And then I have some Quinacridone Rose by Amsterdam. A little bit more this time because I love that color. And we'll put some 24 karat gold, but this is going to be right around that there. And you know what? I think I'm going to put a little more blue around the edge. That might make it too big now, but oh well. Okay, let me pop the bubbles. And we're going to be using black oxide cell activator. Okay, using my flower blow dryer on low, upside down. All right, I don't know why we're way over on that side. Okay, let's see how this blue does differently. Now I'm going to let it set for, before I scoot it over, I want the black in the middle to set up, come up, not be such a divot. So when I do move it, we'll all move together as one. Okay, let's see if I can. It's still not moving as one. I need to wait a few more minutes. Okay. I am. I'm still doing the video. I started another one. You want to come and look?
Wow, it looks rainbow.
Yeah, it looks rainbow. Okay, I am ready to spin this out. Let's start out slow. Adjust it.